You want to learn words, and every word gets easier with our puzzle? Here. Let's. Hello, I'm Omid, and I'm here to help you reach your goals and learn words easily. And the video is for beginners, for beginner learners. Now, the first one. Father and mother. They are two words and they're very easy. For both of them, we say parents. Well done. And I give you my example. My parents live in London. And the second one for our words. Sister and brother. For both of them, we say siblings. I have 3 siblings, 1 sister and 2 brothers. And number 3, son and daughter. For both of them, we say children. The example is this. They have 3 children, 2 daughters and a son. And number 4, wife and husband. For both of them, we say spouses. She and her spouse are very happy. And here, your father's or mother's sister is your aunt. Very good. My aunt is very old, but she is very kind. And the last one. Your father's or mother's brother is your uncle. My uncle is a gardener. If you find the video interesting, you can imagine what you want to learn in other videos. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss our next videos. And for more powerful learning resources, head over to my website here. Stay here and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.